My name is Joseph Valdez. I'm a biomedical equipment technician here at Multicare Valley Hospital. Biomedical equipment technician is responsible for the maintenance, calibration, and upkeep of the medical equipment used to diagnose patient care. Primarily, it's preventive maintenance, biannual, annual, some are quarterly. It's basically running diagnostics, calibrations, running it through functional and safety tests to make sure that it's up to standards to be used in a clinical environment. The role of a biomedical equipment technician is very important because the diagnosis of patient care is based on the equipment that we maintain. To obtain a career in biomedical equipment technician, you need a 2-year degree from a certified college. There's a lot of opportunities with a biomedical degree. There's always hospital in-house, there's traveling techs, and there's OEM positions available. No day is the same, which is exciting for me. So it's constantly learning. It's constantly learning new equipment, new technology. People rely on me when they have issues and that I'm able to fix that for them. It makes me feel good.